I hope you're having an awesome day so far. I'm Maddie. I'm going to be making some lotion today. I'm making 1 bottle of lotion. I've been having some trouble with my recipe, so this is to make sure that my lotion doesn't give me any more trouble. I'm using a fragrance from Brambleberry called Daisy Chain, which is an imitation of a Marc Jacobs perfume that I think is also called Daisy Chain or Daisy something. So, I hope you enjoy the video. I've started off by washing and sanitizing all the stuff that I'm using for these lotions. I'm going to start with the water and in this container, and then the oils and everything in my bigger container. I'm only making 1 bottle of lotion. Luckily I've been able to downgrade my recipe enough to make just 1 bottle at a time. That's 4.1. Okay, so this is my water. I have 4.1 ounces of water. I'm just going to set that aside. You have to use purified water because it helps prevent mold growth and everything else, and that's also why I sanitize everything. You have to sanitize all the utensils that will go into or touch anything that is in the lotion. Purified water, or what do I use? I use distilled water for your lotion. Lotion is about 70 or so percent. I think mine is 65 to 70% water, and then the rest of it is oils and butters and whatever you want to put in it. I use just oils and my emulsifying wax, and then I put a little bit of glycerine in while everything is still warm. So this is my steric acid that I just put in, and I'm going to put emulsifying wax in also. And they work together since lotion is mostly water with a little bit of oils. Water and oil don't naturally mix together, they separate. So you have to use emulsifying wax, which is this pellet stuff that I put in it. 2, 5. And also steric acid, and they're both emulsifiers. They both keep everything mixed together really good. Okay, 151 and 152, awesome. So your water and oil have to be within a couple of degrees of each other, or else your water could solidify your waxes, or if your water's too hot, remelt them or something like that. So I put them in the microwave for about a minute each. The water only for like 30 seconds. Alright, and I'm just gonna check and make sure that this is good. Alright. And put my glycerine in. I'm gonna put 0.2 ounces of glycerine, and this is still just for 1 bottle, so when I make bigger recipes I need bigger quantities. But I only am making 1 bottle today just to make sure everything's working. Last time I made a lotion, it seized or thickened up or something. I don't know what to call it, what it did, but it's not what I wanted the last time I made lotion, so this is why I'm making it again, to make sure everything's good. I think what I did last time was just the air conditioning on and my oils, my fragrance oil that I used. So when I tilted it up earlier to look at it, I was pushing lotion from the bottom up so that I could see the clear bit here, and then kind of push it up so I could see And I can tell if my lotion's good or not if my waxes and water were at the correct temperature, because if they weren't, then I'll have chunks of stuff